5 Best Coffee Grinders. TINTON Life Electric Coffee Spice Grinder Maker. Condition: 100% brand new and high quality. Name: Electric Coffee Spice Grinder. Power: 300 watts. Weight: 550 grams. Material: ABS machine body plus stainless steel blade. Grinding capacity approx 80 grams. Recommends that the amount of bins disposable grinding. High food grade stainless steel, sanitary and hardness. JIQI Electric Coffee Grinder 220V 240 volts. JIQI Electric Coffee Grinder 220V 240 volts. Electrical coffee herbs mill bins nuts grinding machine stainless steel blades Euro plug. Power: 100 watts. Voltage: 220 volts to 240 volts 50/60 Hz. Product material: cup, ABS, plus stainless steel, blade. Capacity: about 70 grams. Grains, spices, Hebals cereals, coffee, dry food grinder. Product name: 700 grams of quick open cover swing type high speed grinder. Product type: 700. Motor peak power: 2500 W. Voltage: 110 V, 220 V. Speed: 36,000 R per minute. Grinding fineness: 3300 mesh. Net weight: 6 kg. Ferris wheel design vintage manual coffee grinder. Brand name: Artens. Power source manual. Type: burr grinders, conical. Model number 0119. Power: W, 0 watts. Certifications: housing material metal and wood and plastic. Style: Ferris wheel coffee grinder. Material: iron plus wood plus ABS plastic. Voltage: V, 0 volts. Manual coffee grinder hand still ceramics core. Manual coffee grinder conical burr mill for precision brewing brush stainless steel. Box size: 6x6 23 cm. Coffee grinder size: DA 4.7 cm 8.8 cm, height. Material: steel plus ceramic core plus plastic parts. Suitable: coffee bin, rice. Power: W, manual. Type: burr grinder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.